To begin our evaluation of Canvas for week 2, we'll start off by going over how to create or how to post in our electronic gradebook. So to begin, on our main courses tab here on the left side, we'll start by clicking on assignments. And as you can see in assignments, we have two groups already set up. By default, you'll already have an assignments tab set up, and I myself created a quizzes tab. These are our grade groups. It'd be the same as if you wanted to create a grouping for essays or discussion topics or anything like that. To create a group, you just simply press this button up that has a plus sign and group, and then you could type in anything you'd like. So I'll type in essays, and I'll save that, and you can see the essays group shows up right here. Now you have two options for adding assignments to a specific group. You have a quick option where you press this little plus button right here, and you can see you have a very minimal screen for creating an assignment. So I might create this as essay 1. I could say this is going to be due on Monday, and this could be worth 30 points. And I can save and publish this assignment. Now, if I wanted to have more options, I can do the same thing by clicking the plus button and select more options, or I can click the blue button up here where it says plus assignment. I'll go ahead and click plus assignment for right now, and I will title this one essay 2. And here you have a description box where you can type in directions for students. You have the point totals here. I'll go ahead and say this is worth 50 points. Why not? I want assignment group. I created the essays. This is essay 2. I want to put this in the essays area. You can display how you want the grade to show up as, whether it be letter grade, GPA scale. I'm just going to leave that on points. And submission. So this is an essay, so I'll select this to be turned in, submitted online through a file upload. And then again, you have more options down below, such as this is a group assignment. This would be useful if you had groups set up already. If you have it set up to allow for peer reviewing, make it so that people who are grading cannot view the students' names. And then how are you going to assign this? So this is where you're going to set up the due date. So I'll say this one's due on the 24th. And if you would like to, you can set up when it becomes available for students to turn in. So maybe you only want to have a window where this opens up on, let's say, the 23rd and it closes on the 25th. But for our purposes, we'll go ahead and just leave those sections blank. We'll go ahead and click Save and Publish. Click on our Assignments tab again. And now you can see we have our Essay 1, which we set up the quick way. And we have Essay 2, which we set up the more advanced way. Now, if we'd like to grade these assignments, we can go ahead and click on Grades. And we can click on our specific student. And we can click on the Grades button. And from here, you can see we have our Essay 1 and our Essay 2 grades that we just created. Go ahead and click on Essay 1 to open up the grade menu. Now, on the top right, we have the grade box, so we can type in what they get on this. We'll say they got a 28 out of 30. And then below this, it gives you a very clear, easy option to give direct feedback to the student. So you can give written feedback to the student, or you can even record audio feedback for the student. So it gives you a lot of good options to offer very specific student feedback.